Hi there, so we're in Bunnings Warehouse today. Bunnings Warehouse is a nationwide hardware retailer. In partnership with Bunnings and GWA Plumbing Supplies, we've come up with a digital signage solution that enables customers to browse and find the right toilets for their needs. Selling a toilet is a technical sale. There's multiple products to choose from, and there's different sizes and measurements that need to be taken into consideration as well. So the system that we've built here helps people self-discover and find that information without having to chase a salesperson around the store. So as a customer walks down the aisle, you can see that they're greeted with big, beautiful images of toilets in situ and a nice big touch to start button to really draw the customer into using the screen. You'll see that we're taken through to a couple of different options. And this is really designed to fit the sales process. So I may be someone who is in the early stages of exploring toilets and I don't have my measurements yet and I just want to browse through the product. I may also be at a point where I want to actually measure my bathroom and measure my toilet to filter down my selection. So I can choose to browse the toilets, and you can see that it lets me choose whether I want to browse the full range or view how to measure, and we can come through to a screen where we can actually view videos which will explain how, when we're at home, we can measure our bathroom to make sure that the toilet we're looking at is the right fit. So once I've put my measurements in, I can browse through the toilets that the system recommends. And let's say I choose a behind the wall system, then I can choose the exact toilets that match that criteria with my measurements. Drill down further and I can actually see nice big images of the toilet product. I can see schematics of the dimensions of the toilet, so I can again see whether it's the right fit. And I can also see critical information about the water rating of the toilet and also pickup details as well and the product item numbers. So it's very easy then to go to the sales desk and know exactly what you want. Being the best of online, we can take all of those great analytics tools from the online space, the interaction and what people clicked on, what product people viewed, and that's really important information. But because we're in a physical space, we can get much more than that. So on this device, you'll see at the bottom here, we've actually mounted a sonar sensor which detects traffic moving in front of the screen. So as a customer, I'm walking down the aisle and I'm drawn into the screen and I stop in front of the screen. We can now get metrics on whether people lingered for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, a minute, and we can then overlay that linger time with the actual interaction on the device to build up a really detailed profile of how people are using the content. So this solution, which is rolled out nationwide to Bunnings Warehouse on behalf of GWA, has been a real win for both GWA and for Bunnings themselves, the warehouse, because it helps them in managing their staff needs and requirements in store, and it helps GWA map and manage their sales and marketing. So what we have here is an interactive, on-the-shelf digital solution that brings the best of the online experience, the best of that digital engagement into the store where it's right next to the product that the people are looking at and looking to purchase. So for Bunnings and for GWA, OpenSign is delivering a solution that boosts their sales process and their marketing process in store. It's taking the best of online and bringing it into the store.